Welcome to the Fizzy Show.
Wow, the jungle is awesome.
Ooh, and I can hear some strange sounds.
And it's so warm.
Well, I guess that's why they call it the rainforest.
Let's explore. Oh, this beautiful plant only has one leaf.
Looks like it's missing one. Let's check the others. None of these flowers have leaves. Some are even missing their petals.
And the waterfall has no water.
Oh no! Looks like the environment might need some help. No, Rex!
Oh, hi guys.
The jungle looks, different.
Ah, you noticed. Yeah, looks like we're missing some parts of the jungle.
No, I wish we could fix it.
It is a bit of a problem, isn't it? There was this huge slime storm. It was huge.
You already said that, Rex.
Well, after the huge slime storm, the environment is struggling to grow.
That's it! We could use slime! Miss Hands, we're gonna need a hand!
Hi everyone, it's me, Miss Hands. Hey Rex, how can I help?
Well, my friend Fizzy had an awesome idea to use slime to help the jungle.
We need to rebuild the environment with slime.
That is a super cool idea. It sounds like we need to get crafting. Awesome! Look at all these ingredients we have to make slime.
I love making slime.
Well, in order to help this beautiful jungle, we need to make sure we measure the ingredients first.
Yay! Can we use the scales?
Okay, Miss Hands, I think we should make our leaves first.
Good idea, Fizzy. Now we need to make green slime, so let's measure it all out. I'm gonna take my green glitter here in these tubes, and we're gonna put them on the left-hand side of the scales, just like this. There we go. And I'm gonna take my green confetti here, and we're gonna sprinkle that in with the glitter. Whoop. I think we got enough there.
Wow, the scales are so unbalanced.
You're right, Phoebe. The scale is unbalanced. So let's add our slime mixture into the right-hand side.
Looks like the right side is heavier, Miss Hands.
That's right, Fizzy. And this is good because we only need a small amount of glitter and confetti and a larger amount of slime to make our green slime mixture.
So we do have the right amount?
We do! Now we can make our slime. Okay, let's start by adding our glue mixture to our bowl. There we go. That came out quicker than I thought. Perfect. And next we're going to add in our green food coloring. Just a few drops, I think. And first of all, our dark green glitter. Sprinkle it over. There we go. That's so sparkly. Look at that. And now I have this really beautiful emerald green, because not all leaves are the same color. Add in our emerald green. So pretty. And you remember we had the green confetti? That's gonna go in there too. Boop. And now we're gonna mix this round. Get all those colors into the glue. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Give it another little mix. It's all gloopy. Look at that. I think that's mixed just about enough. And here's the special part. We're gonna add in our magic liquid. Take the lid off and we just pour in a bit like this. Oop, there we go. Take a deep breath and stir. Ooh, it's starting to get gloopy. Ooh, look at that.
Yoo, what does that do, Miss Hands?
It binds it all together, Phoebe, just like this.
Awesome sauce!
Whoa, look everybody, we have our green slime. Whoa, you're losing it there. See how stretchy that is? And you can see the confetti and all the glitter in there. Ooh, ooh, it's getting bigger. I think it's growing. It's so sticky as well.
Yo, Rex, these leaves will look so cool.
Whoops! I didn't even realize I dropped them. I really had no idea I dropped them.
Rex, you said that already.
Oh, Rex, what a forgetful dinosaur.
Look everybody, we have our green slime. Look how slimy that is. Whoa. Oh, I could stretch this all day.
Woo! Stretch it again, Miss Hands. But wait, how are we going to use slime to help the environment?
With some fizzy magic, of course. Fizzy, whizzy, bo, busy, bop.
Whoa! Look at all these amazing colors. We have green leaves and pink petals and yellow flowers.
But it didn't make the waterfall run.
Well, we could make some more slime.
Blue slime! I think blue slime could work. Maybe? Yeah, maybe blue slime.
Yeah, Rex. That's a really good idea.
Okay, let's get balancing. We need to make sure our blue ingredients are heavier this time.
So, we need all our blue ingredients in the left basket.
Okay, we can add them one by one. Look here, we have our confetti there. Let's sprinkle that in. There we go. And we have our very sparkly glitter. Isn't that sweet? They're gonna go in there too. Woo! And we have our blue metallic glue. That's gonna go over here as well, in the left basket. And our scale is looking very heavy. And on the right-hand side, we're gonna add our magic liquid, like that. And let's see, anything else we may need?
Miss Hands, it's strange. The right side is, heavier.
Oh, good spot, Fizzy. Let's take a look. Oh no, Rex, I accidentally added you to our scales.
Whoa! I thought I was flying. It really felt like flying.
Oh, Rex, let's get you out of there.
Well, now the scales are right, we can make our slime.
We sure can. So first we need our bowl, and we're gonna add our blue metallic glue. There it goes. Ooh, there we go, that's good. And next we have our confetti. Let's sprinkle that on. And our blue glitter. Here we go. Ooh. That's about right. And our other blue glitter. And we add that in just like that. Perfect. And we're gonna take a spoon and give it a good old mix. Ooh. So sparkly, look at that. See that? All those sparkles. And next, we need our magic liquid. Not too much, just enough. There we go. And we stir. Whoa, this blue slime is really shaping up. Look, it's so sparkly. See how stretchy that is? Woo! Look, you can see my fingers. It's getting really thin. Oh, and you can see the sparkles there. Can you see those sparkles? Yay! When light reflects off the water, it really does look like a sparkle. Can you see those sparkles?
Whoa, I see them! It does look like water!
This should get our waterfall running.
Yay! Ooh, that blue is so blue!
Whoa, that slime looks like water.
Hopefully, it will become water. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo, Bizzy, Bop! It's so beautiful! The jungle is so cool. It has plants and waterfalls and huge trees.
And dinosaurs, and animals, and dinosaurs. Oh, wait, did I say that already?
I'm glad we could help the environment get some of its color back.
We did. Let's take a guess at some of the colors we can see. What color are the leaves?
Green,
And what color are the flowers?
yellow, and pink.
And finally, Rex, what color are you?
Orange.
I'll race you both to swim in the waterfall. Deal.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go! Come on, Rex.
Wait, did you start yet? Oh, I better hurry.
Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy fantastic day. We will. See you next time.